Welcome to our comprehensive comparison of the High Walking Pad Treadmill and the Hccsport Treadmill 3-in-1, based on a meticulous analysis of online reviews and feature comparisons.
Today, we delve into which of these treadmills offers the best value, features, and design for your home gym setup.
In terms of price, the High Walking Pad Treadmill walks in with an attractive price tag of $229, making it a wallet-friendly choice for those on a budget. Reviewers appreciate its affordability and the value it offers for the price.
On the other side, the Hccsport Treadmill 3-in-1 sprints ahead with a price of $469. While it's pricier, reviews indicate that its versatile 3-in-1 design and robust features justify the higher cost.
Feature-wise, High impresses with its simplicity and effectiveness, catering to users seeking low-impact exercise with its adjustable speed and user-friendly design.
Reviewers highlight its suitability for older individuals and those starting their fitness journey.
Hccsport, however, packs a punch with its 3-in-1 design, offering a desk, folding treadmill, and portability.
Its higher horsepower and adjustable incline feature catered to more ambitious fitness goals as noted by reviewers.
When it comes to design, the High boasts a sturdy, durable build that's easy to fold away, making it ideal for small spaces. Reviewers praise its compact size and ease of storage. Hccsport, in its compact and lightweight form, offers easy storage solutions and a detachable desk, making it suitable for small apartments or multitasking users. Both products receive positive feedback for their practical and attractive designs. Overall, both treadmills receive positive reviews for their respective strengths. The High Walking Pad Treadmill is celebrated for its affordability, simplicity, and suitability for beginners and those seeking low-impact exercises.
The Hccsport Treadmill 3-in-1, on the other hand, is praised for its versatility, robust feature set, and innovative design, making it a favorite among users looking for a multifunctional treadmill. Thank you for watching our comparison of the High Walking Pad Treadmill and the Hccsport Treadmill 3-in-1.
We hope this analysis helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why. Check out the product links in the description to learn more. Stay fit and make smart purchases.